Welcome to my morning routine. In this video, I show you what I do every single day when I wake up. So one of the first things I do as I wake up is going to the bathroom and brush my teeth. Well, actually, to be honest, that's not really the first thing I do. I do pee first, but I'm not going to show you that. So yes, I brush my teeth. And the reason why I brush my teeth before eating or drinking anything is so that I can get rid of the amount of toxins that naturally build up into the mouth as you sleep overnight. It's something that I've done all my life, and I really can't imagine now starting my day without brushing my teeth first thing first. Now, also, I use a tongue scraper to clean my tongue too from the deposit that builds up onto the tongue as you sleep. Um, Now, the practice of cleaning the tongue in the morning comes from the Ayurveda tradition. Not only it makes the mouth feel cleaner, the breath fresher, it also enhances the sense of taste. I probably started using the tongue scraper when about 15 years ago, and I can't imagine skipping this either as part of my morning routine. So next, I wash my nose using a Neti pot. Now, this is a small container filled with water and sea salt. The content is poured into one nostril and it comes out the other nostril, removing bacteria, dust, dirt, excess mucus, and pretty much anything that shouldn't be there. The mouth should be wide open as the water enters one nostril so that it goes out of the other nostril rather than going into the mouth. And this practice enhances the sense of smell and taste, but it also can really be really beneficial if people suffer from any upper respiratory tract problems. For example, I use it every single day, but I find it super useful to use it when I have a cold. Because it helps me breathe better, and I feel it helps me get rid of the cold quicker as well. So I've done all of this. I then head to the kitchen to make my warm water and lemon drink. This acts like an internal shower for the system, especially when taken on an empty stomach. It can really be beneficial to flush out anything that the body doesn't need anymore and also kickstarts the digestive system. What I use is fresh organic lemon juice. I never use bottled lemon juice. And recently, I have started adding a spoon of organic apple cider vinegar to the mix. And then I will add some cold water, a bit of hot water as well, just so that the drink is at the right temperature for me. And again, yeah, depending on the season, I might have it a little warmer or a little cooler. So that's it just depends on how warm the day is. Before I drink my water and lemon, I do some Kriya exercises. This is something I learned on my teacher training, on my yoga teacher training, and it's basically an internal organ massage. It stimulates the natural activity of the internal organs and also stimulates the elimination process. So I start on empty lungs, and I draw in the belly button to the spine, creating a hollow belly. I hold it for a few seconds, and then when I release, I breathe in, and then I start with the belly pumps, which basically is like drawing in and out of the belly to again to massage the internal organs. And once I've done that a couple of times, I then move on to Nauli Kriya, which is the churning of the belly, The movements are clockwise and then anti-clockwise, and it's somewhat like a washing machine cycle, really stimulating all around and massaging all around. Now, if you're curious to hear more about this Kriya and internal organ massage, I'd say there, even though there is information online, it's something that is best learned directly with a teacher, because these exercises require a good amount of abdominal strength and tone, as well as focus to be done correctly. And also, there are some counterindications, so it's not always suitable for everybody. So now I take my favorite daily meditation book. This is a second-hand book that I got off Amazon, and since buying the copy for myself, I bought several other copies to give to friends and family, because I think it's a wonderful book. There's a page for each day of the year, and each one has a beautiful message. So I really enjoy reading this each and every morning while I drink my lemon and water. Um, so once I've done that, I then move on to my seated, quiet meditation, which sometimes is guided, sometimes is not. To help me, I use an app called Insight Timer, which has a couple of different options. One is just to do your own meditation using a timer, and you can choose to have silence or background sounds. And if you have silence, it just has an end bell, which is super nice instead of using the alarm from your phone. It's just a nicer, more gentle sound to end your meditation. But Insight Timer also offers beautiful guided meditations, and you can search by length, topic, and there's quite a few for the morning, I believe from like 6 minute one to longer meditations. So yes, sometimes I use the recorded ones as well. This time is super precious. When I skip this, I can really feel the difference.
So thank you for watching my morning rituals. I hope this has inspired you to maybe start your own morning ritual, which doesn't need to be exactly the same, but these are just some ideas and this is what I love to do every single day. So now that I've done all of this, I'm ready to go get dressed, have breakfast, and then off to work. Namaste. Thank you for watching.